Alright, welcome back, guys. This is Coach Assis here, and this is going to be the continuation of our Facebook ad course, right? So, real quick, inside this very short video, I want to explain why we actually select Facebook ad, right? Out of all the platforms, out of all the series of platforms out there that we can actually run our ads, but why do we actually choose Facebook ad? So, in this video, I'm going to be discussing four major reasons why Facebook ads is actually the best. Right, so like I said, there are other places you can actually run your ad. We have TikTok, we have Instagram, we have YouTube, and series of others like that. But then Facebook ads has been proven to be the best out of all these platforms, right? So real quick, I'm going to be discussing the four major reasons why we actually choose Facebook above others, right? So let me just so the first reason, the first major point why we actually said Facebook ad is the best is large number of population. So large population of audience, right? So this is one of the major reasons why Facebook ad is actually the best place for you to advertise your products. So if you go to Google and search for the total number of population Facebook currently has, so real quick, let me show you because I've actually searched for it here. Let me delete this. So I want to show you guys. Alright, so according to a current statistic, right? So number of people that Facebook, number of active users on Facebook in just a month amount to how much is this? If you check it very well, how much is this? 2.989 billion. So you can imagine that. So you can imagine you now presenting your products in front of this number of active users, right? So you are going to be knowing that your product actually has a high percentage of getting sales, right? So this is actually one of the major reasons why we actually choose Facebook above other platforms. So because of their high number of populations, right? So high numbers of active users, and the one of the best thing about this is that it's actually not restricted to any country. So either you are in Nigeria or maybe you are in Ghana or any other country, so you can easily reach out to anybody through Facebook, right? So especially through Facebook ads. So we are going to be explaining how you can actually run your ad even if you are in a country. You can easily run ad to another country. So in subsequent lessons, right? So we are going to be discussing this in details. So now that's the first major point why we actually choose Facebook ad above others, right? So the second major point, the second reason why we actually choose Facebook ad as as the best among other platforms, right? So it's actually its simplicity. So it's simplicity. And what I mean by simplicity is in the way you can actually set up your ad. So Facebook ad has been proven to be the best, or let me say one of the best uh, method of you setting up your ad. So everything that you're going to be doing, all you just need to do is guidance on how to do it. Once you already learn the skills and the knowledge on how to do it, you're going to be seeing that Facebook ad is actually very simple to set up. So if you already do your assignment very well, so Facebook ad is something you can easily set up within 10 to 15 minutes. And of course, after going through Facebook algorithm review, your ad is going to be up and running, right? So the second major reason is the simplicity. So the third one is the cost friendly. The cost friendly. So Facebook is actually very cost friendly, meaning the amount you can actually use to an ad on Facebook is very cheap, very cheap compared to other platform, right? So let me just show you one of my current ad that I'm actually running for you to see how cheap Facebook ad is, right? So if I come to my meta ad now, I'm going to be seeing all the ads that I'm currently running. So this is one of them. So all these are ads that I'm currently running. Let me put it in maximum. So ever since I've set the ad up, right? So these are the history. You can see this one, this first one. So this first one now. So Facebook is currently charging me 78 naira per lead. So you can imagine that even though this ad is still in its early stage, right? So which means the price for this can actually still reduce, and of course it's going to be reducing. So all this we are going to be discussing it as we move on, right? So but even if it is not going to be reducing, you can imagine me getting someone to buy my products regardless of the price I'm going to be selling the products. I'm seeing someone to buy my products at this price, 78 naira. So now imagine me selling a product of 5,000 naira, take for example, and then I'm using less than 100 naira to get someone to buy that particular product, which I'm selling 5,000 naira. So you can imagine how much profit I'm going to be making from that. So now let's come down to an ad I've been running for months now. So I've been running this ad for months. So I can see how much Facebook is charging me, which is actually 42.44 naira. That's amazing, right? So on this particular Facebook ad, I've generated over 1,000 leads, right? And I've spent just very close to 50,000 naira. So this 47,000 naira, 47,834 naira. So you can imagine me getting thousands of leads for just this amount. And this product now is a product that is selling for 5,500 naira. So I guess you can do the calculation yourself, right? So getting thousands of customers that can actually purchase a course like this, you know how much I'm going to be making from that particular ad setup. So one of the major reason why we choose Facebook ad over others is because of its cost friendly. So the last point, the last reason, right? So it's going to be the target audience. So running advertisement is not just limited to you showing your product to random people, those people that are interested in it and those people that are actually not interested in it. So this is not the proper way of running ads, and this is why running paid advertisement has an edge over organic traffic, right? So because on in organic traffic you can only get random people, and then you are the one that is going to be trying to, you know, bring their interest to your product, right? So but when it comes to paid advertisements, you're actually going to be targeting the people that are actually interested in your product only, not random people. And one of the reason why Facebook ad is actually the best is that it gives you this opportunity of you targeting your right audience, your target audience, your actual customers. It's not going to be like you are targeting the random people, right? So you are going to be targeting only the people that Facebook actually knows that are interested in your products, because Facebook algorithm has their way of knowing what you like and what you want, all these things. So there are several ways Facebook actually detects all these details. So one of those ways is the information that you actually provide to Facebook the day you are trying to set up your Facebook account. So all this information Facebook normally record it, and they are going to be using it when it comes to people setting up ad. So if you tell Facebook now that you are from Lagos State, and then your hobby is in maybe sewing, right? So now you are in Lagos State and your hobby is sewing. So that's two different details. So now if someone come today and try to set up a Facebook ad, now chooses Lagos as its location, and then chooses the people that are interested in sewing, right, as its audience. So you are going to be one of those people that are going to be seeing that ad. Why? Because Facebook has already knows all these details that you already have it. So and these people is targeting the people that has these qualities. So Facebook has a way of giving you that opportunity of you targeting your actual customers. Let me just do a little bit of practical of what I'm trying to say. Though, like I said, this is more or less like a still an introductory class, right? So we are still going to be delving into the major lesson. So this is one of my current ad that I'm running, right? Like I said, like I showed you earlier. So this is the place you are going to be setting up your ad and all that. So if you come to the asset level where you can actually choose your audience. I don't want this video to be too long. We still have a long way to go. Alright, so this is the section where you are going to be targeting the people that you want Facebook to be showing your ad to, right? So this section is called the audience section, right? So if you come here now, this location, you see in this my ad, I'm targeting the people that are in Nigeria, right? So the whole of Nigeria is what I'm targeting, but it's actually not restricted to that. So regarding this location now, I can easily target the people that maybe are even outside Nigeria, or maybe I don't want to target the whole Nigeria. I want to target some specific area in Nigeria. So I can easily do that here. If I click on Lagos now, if I search Lagos, so they are going to be bringing the option, right? So if I should click on this now, it means I'm targeting people that are actually in Lagos. So if I remove this Nigeria now and then I added this Lagos, which means Facebook is going to be showing my ad just to people that are in Lagos and nothing more, right? So these are one of the amazing tool of Facebook ad, right? So, and it's not only that, you can actually target people based on their interests, right? So if you come to this detailed targeting, you're going to be seeing the place you can easily target people that are interested in your products. So if you click on demography, maybe I'm trying to sell a, so because the this ad is an ad for digital marketing course, right? So that's why I chose affiliate marketing, passive income, digital marketing as my audience, right? So maybe I'm selling a physical product now. Maybe for example, I'm selling clothes, right? So I can easily target people that are interested in clothing. So you see now, clothing, Facebook has actually brought out the option. So there are a series of clothing here. We have vintage clothing, designer clothing, infant clothing, right? So clothing designer and all that. So you can easily choose all these things as your target audience. So Facebook giving you this opportunity of targeting your right audience is actually one of those things that give it an edge over other advertisement platforms, right? So I believe you should have understood what I mean by all these points now. So by now you should have understood the reason why I cite out these four major reasons, right? Large number of population, simplicity, cost friendly, target audience. So these are the four major reasons why Facebook ad is actually one of the best out there. So I'm going to be ending this video now. So we are going to be moving to the next topic in the next video. So see you in the next video.